Hello all, welcome back to Ruijie backpack unbox video. In previous video, I already showed all the equipment for the backpack and do the physical connections, right? So what I'm going to do now is using the app Ruijie Cloud to do the initial configuration on the fly. Even the dummy can do the configuration in less than 5 minutes. And wonderful thing is when I complete the provisioning, all the advanced features like the guest portal, like some very secure staff authentication, even Facebook login will all be done, right? Magic, right? Okay. So later I will more detail explain how we do it there. Okay. So first of all, if you're not yet, please go to your iOS or Android Google Play to download the Ruijie Cloud app. Because I'm the fan of course. I already downloaded the Ruijie Cloud app already. And what next you need to do is do a registration if you are the first time users. So if you didn't have any account, just easily put some fields on the registration form, doing email registration, then you can create a new account very easily in minutes. And very important, if you are our partner with Ruijie SME product, all the cloud features usage is lifetime free. So what next is I have existing account. So I log in by a Ruijie demo account first. So the first screen when you log in is the dashboard. So you can see all our network devices in my dashboard, how many network, how many devices, top AP, top client traffic, etc. And I click here. Very important thing is Ruijie Cloud is an enterprise cloud. The differences is it support multi-tenant. If you are the MSP, ISP, you have multiple client or multiple customer need to be managed. Wonderful thing is Ruijie Cloud can create multiple group of devices, let you to have independent configuration for each of the device group. And why I can do all the configuration in less than 5 minutes? Because I already did all the settings on the cloud web UI. So when I in the office, I do the settings first. When it comes to the site to engineer, just like the video following, what it did is just add the device to the network group with configuration. Done. Your engineer no need to have any professional knowledge. Just scan QR code, add the devices to the group. So now I need to do the very first step is I need to make my gateway to online first. Because this gateway still factory default, cannot connecting to the WAN internet through the 4G router. So what I'm going to do now, first step is I click the first setup, and the guy asking whether your cloud network here any EG210OP, which is this box. Of course yes, I'm choosing yes. And the guy will telling you whether your physical connection is ready. When port your AP is connected. Very important, if you need to do the following dummy provisioning on the app, you must have EG and Ruijie AP together. I tell you why later. So next, so important here is you will also ask why I use the app can configure the gateway. The magic here is the Wi-Fi from this AP. There are a default SSID radio broadcast from this AP, showing that the app will connect to the AP, through the AP connect to the EG, showing that I can use the app with Wi-Fi connection between AP and the app, can do the gateway configuration later. So now what I need to do is I connect to the Wi-Fi from the AP. So I can see there a RJ 000758 Okay, so this is the default SSID broadcast from my AP. And why is 758? Actually, this 758 is the serial number from the gateway. So you can very easily identify this SSID is actually broadcast from this gateway. Okay. So now I connected to the internal Wi-Fi network, actually this AP. So in that, my APP now can through the AP and configure the gateway. Okay. So I will click start for the EG setup. By default, EG, the admin ID password is admin. Okay. And what asking you is to provide a more secure password. Okay. So now I type in a more secure password. Admin 123. Any combination, Latin and numbers. Okay. This is secure. Next. Okay. So this is very important. For the next step is what is the WAN interface for your EG to the internet. Normally it should be 3 types: static IP, PPPoE, DHCP. In my case, I bring my 4G router. My 4G router supports DHCP service. That's why I choose DHCP. And later, my gateway can receive an IP from my 4G router and go to internet. Okay. I just click finish. Here maybe wait about 30 seconds. Okay, the EG will configure the new settings and doing a reboot. Okay, so later you will see the light will be some flash. Okay, because you need to do some reboot. Okay, so right now what I've done here is I make my gateway connected to the 4G router and go to the internet. So in that, what next is the AP and all the devices can go to internet, go to the Ruijie cloud by the gateway. Okay, this is very important. Okay, so the guide here is just following the step is if you are the new user, you can create some new network. Okay, by the APP. But because I already make an existing network with configuration, so I click the set first. Okay. So what I need to do is just very easily, because I ready a existing network group ready, okay, with configuration. I just using the app add all the devices to the group. Okay. For example, this time I choose this sales 10. Okay, sales 10. This sales 10 group is for demo purpose. Okay, so you can take a look inside already with some configuration, with some portal, Facebook, PPSK for staff authentication. All the configuration I did it before. Okay, so if you are a dummy engineer, don't to be afraid. Just add the device to the group. That's it. Okay, so first of all, I add the EG first to the network. At the back, there are a QR code on for every device from Ruijie. So, okay, I add the device again. Okay, and I give a LSM for my EG, and the password is the new password for the EG we set before. Okay, save. Okay, so Ruijie Cloud not just supporting gateway, as I said, it support all AP switches. So what next? I also add this AP to the network. This is 8710. Okay. And what next is also our WAP. The WAP also support Ruijie Cloud Management. But reminder is the QR code not at the back, but actually is under the cover. Okay. Some force. You see the QR code is here. So, okay. I scan the QR code successfully and give another alias name. OAP. Okay, done. Okay, so what I'm just doing is very easy. Just scan all the devices to the existing network group. Okay, so what next is I just wait around maybe 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, net all the AP to download the latest configuration from the cloud. Okay, as I mentioned, my network group already with some SSID and configuration. So what next is download the things to the devices. It takes you about 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, so now how about I take some time to introduce the Ruijie Cloud app function for you. Okay, so for example, this is the devices in the group. For example, I just click the Ruijie. Or how about I show you another group here, IPE sales demo. Okay, this group is from our headquarters with some devices already online. You can see more traffic here. I then to use this group to show you more information. So in this group also with a EG here. Okay, so what you can see from the app is, for example, the model, whether the configuration is synced or not, release, connectivity, and traffic here. And most important, this EG is a layer 7 capable, which means it can know what kind of web application you're using. For example, YouTube, Facebook, WhatsApp. Okay, so very important is it can also further do some flow control for your internet network. Control your internet if you don't want some user to overuse your internet activity, like doing some P2P download, for etc. Okay, top 10 client in your internet. So the gateway very important. Know everything about your internet. Switches, okay, the same. Okay, similar. You can know your switches network information. AP, okay, you can see your AP configuration, Wi-Fi, network traffic, and if you need it, you can also do the report. If your AP found some issues you want to report, you can also do it on the app remotely. Okay, and also sometimes, most of the time, you will find the problem, especially Wi-Fi, is the interference from the Wi-Fi network. So most important is there are optimization features in the app. Just one click and you can scan the environment. Ruijie Cloud will determine any interference. If there are, it will adjust the AP power channels and make the suggestions to the partner. Okay, and it will take around maybe 30 minutes and in a back-end mode. Okay, so you can just wait for the result. So in the future, if there are any optimization issue or Wi-Fi issues, you just sit on the desk, do the one-click optimization. No need to spend more time on site to do the troubleshooting. Okay, it will save a lot of your engineers' time very easily and very effective, because normally majority Wi-Fi issues come from interference. Okay, so this is optimization, and also you can have any other monitoring for your network status. You can have last 24 hours, 7-day traffic. You can review the network, and also here, if there are any new firmware on the cloud, it will also notice you to do the upgrade. Okay, so but of course, it depends the situation whether you need to do the upgrade or not. Alarm, whether there are some network issues. Okay, in our next release, the alarm will even push the notification to the phone. More proactively, you know the situation for the network. Okay, and more than that, if you want to diagnose what is the Wi-Fi network issues and how is the quality, there is inspection tool here. So the inspection tool, you press your local on premises, click the inspection. It will use the Wi-Fi to test the Wi-Fi experience and quality. Okay, any speed issues, any signal issues for your network. Very similar to our optimization mechanism. Okay, so let you know the situation about your Wi-Fi network. So you can see the network now is very good with 5-star grade, performance very good, download speed over 150, signal strength very good, strong. Okay, so seems to be okay your network. Okay, and one more thing is you can do very basic network Wi-Fi settings here. For example, you can change SSID name, change the forwarding mode, VLAN, turn on, turn off some radio if you like. Okay, hidden broadcast your SSID. Okay, so this is very basic features. Okay, you can do on the app. More than that, this app not just providing some configuration for your engineer, it can also provide you many marketing features. Like if you are the sales guy, you want to know more about the product spec, product information. This app is linked up with our Ruijie official website, give you the latest information about product, and also marketing. Okay, there are many news, latest news, video about company, okay, news about our product, video about our product. Okay, and one last very important features I want to introduce is here is our intelligent robot. Okay, this is actually is our Ruijie AI using AI technology and big data technologies AI robot. Okay, so the name for our robot is corrected RITA. Okay, so very smart and clever and continuously learning and improve. So you can just have some chat with our rated. No matter you're a sales guy, engineer guy, okay, maybe I'm an engineer, I'm very concerned how to do some reset for our AP. It will doing some answer for your questions automatically. More intelligent, very intelligent. Maybe you are the sales guy, you're also concerned, okay, maybe some competitor info, okay. Actually, we have some battle tab also. If you are the sales, you want to know how to compete our product with your competitor, okay. They are also very rich information already from Victor. Victor will tell you many things, okay. So far I believe I introduced overall the basic features for the Ruijie Cloud app. So what next is take a look how is our network just provisioning. Okay, I believe around just 5 minutes. Now you can see our sales team. Okay, the whole network already ready. Most important is you can take a look. Okay, whether the config already synced. Okay, already synced. Already online config is synced now. Okay, and that means I take a look on my phone. Okay, so you can see there's some SSID is from the Ruijie app now. Okay, so I didn't provision any controller. I didn't provision any server here. What in this video, in this 5-6 minutes, what I'm just doing is power it on, make the gateway connect to the internet properly using the app, then add all the devices to the p-config network group, and in my phone already in this area already I have all the network settings. Okay, we just let's try what actually I have provisioned in the group. For example, let's see, this is guest portal one-click 5G. Okay, so you can see this is actually a one-click portal. Okay, there are a very nice portal IP config. Okay, I receive KFC logo. I do the POC previously. Okay, and you can see this one-click portal already have multi-language, Japanese, English. If I check connect, okay, you can see I even have the portal building with some option with balance. How many minutes? Oh, okay. My God, I only have 1 minute free Wi-Fi here. Okay, and every day only 4 times access. Okay, so this is very good for retail, right? Restaurant for free gas Wi-Fi. Okay, how long you can use, how many times per day you can use, a very beautiful network. And see, when you go to internet, it will click and redirect to the URL. You will choose it. Okay, this is one of the things. Is one-click portal. let me show another thing is another portal. This is Facebook. Okay. So you can see this is a Facebook. Okay. Also, there are different languages. I can define here multi-language also. Okay. But this time the login method is different. Using Facebook login, just pressing Facebook. You can use Facebook app to do the login. Okay. Wow, cool. Okay, this is me. Continue. Okay. Okay, done. Because I have my Facebook account in my phone, so the whole authentication is very seamless. No need to type in the username and password again. Okay. So right now I already connected internet with two different methods. Using one click, using Facebook. Okay. Let me forget it. Okay. And there are more. Okay. Like what is PPSK and what is voucher. Okay. I will show you in the next video. Okay. Don't miss it.